Good evening, everyone. We had a very beautiful day on Tuesday. Again, skies were clear for much of us across the area. Temperatures got into the 70s this afternoon. Now, we'll see some slight changes over the next couple of days and then some major changes for the weekend. But as for right now in Lynchburg, we have a temperature of 72 degrees. Our dew point is 48, and this makes our relative humidity of 43%. The winds are out of the south currently at 5 miles per hour, and the barometer is showing 30.02 inches and falling. Now, this was updated as of 4 p.m. this afternoon. Now, looking at the radar this evening, we can see showers and thunderstorms developing over the Gulf Coast states, especially around Louisiana. This will continue to head further north and east over the next couple of days and merge with the cold air to the north, let's say over Iowa and Minnesota, especially as you head into Wisconsin. Some areas of heavy snow will develop over the next 24 hours here. Now, as for the temperatures as we head into, let's say, Wednesday afternoon, high temperatures will likely be in the 60s across much of central Virginia, about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw on Tuesday afternoon. A backdoor cold front will be moving in at some point Tuesday night. Now, further to the west, we can see another cold front that's set up across the Ohio Valley, extending back into the state of Colorado. Now, behind this, we have much cooler temperatures back in the teens and even some single digits as you head into Montana. This will actually not move further to the east for several days. This cold front will actually become more like a warm front by the time we head into Wednesday. We can see that better on the forecast map here. Again, that backdoor cold front over the state of Virginia and associated warm front to the west, let's say over the Ohio Valley, even back into Colorado. Now, over the mountains, we'll see heavier snowfall, let's say over Colorado and Utah and even parts of Wyoming. And then further to the east, heavier rainfalls, let's say over the Mississippi Valley and Ohio Valley. Now, this kind of gets stuck in one place as we head into Wednesday afternoon. The heavy rains continue over Arkansas, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Even some flooding rains, as we can see in this red outline. Still further to the west, we can see ice mixing in as you head into Iowa, and heavier snowfall as you head into the Dakotas. Now, still as we head into Thursday morning, some of the same areas receiving heavy rainfall. Again, Arkansas, flooding definitely by this time. Portions of western Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio. Some of these locations could pick up 3-4 inches of rain easily. And then further to the north, we can see an icy mixture over the Great Lakes. Mainly snow as you head into, let's say, northwestern portions of Wisconsin and eastern portions of Minnesota. Even further into, let's say, upstate New York and New England, not going to be cold enough for only snow this time. We'll see probably a mixture of ice and then possibly a change over to rain before the system comes to an end. Now, as far as precipitation amounts from the system, we can see those 3 to 4 inch totals as the Ohio River meets the Mississippi. So anywhere from, let's say, eastern Missouri into western Kentucky, southern portions of Illinois, and even southern portions of Indiana could receive heavy rainfall. Now, further to the east towards the state of Virginia, we can see lighter amounts here. Generally a 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain, let's say near Roanoke. Lesser amounts as you head further to the east over Lynchburg. Maybe a 1/10 of an inch of rain from shower activity on Wednesday. Further to the south still into Danville. More likely trace amounts as you head to the south side. Looking at the 3-day forecast for central Virginia on Wednesday, we'll have a high of 61 and a low of 57. Again, chance of rain in the afternoon. As we head into Thursday and Friday, partly cloudy skies for both days. Again, temperatures in the middle 70s on Thursday. They begin to drop off on Friday, middle 60s for highs on Friday. But notice the low temperature on Friday of 25. This kind of signals what's going to happen for the weekend. Temperatures will probably fall back into the middle 40s for both Saturday and Sunday. So be prepared for that if you're planning this week. I hope you enjoyed tonight's forecast, and please stay tuned for another forecast next week.